here this morning getting ready to unbox my mom's wedding dress. I can't believe this. She's been talking about this since I was a little girl. Since 1983. This has been preserved in a nice box. I'm so excited because I just found my wedding dress yesterday. I said yes to the dress. Yes, yes, yes. So now I'm gonna see my mom's. I already know I would never in a million years be able to fit it because she was like this big when she was my age. But I'm excited to see how it looks. So let's dive right in. We've been here since Thanksgiving, so everybody's packing up. We're getting ready to head back to Indianapolis, but wow. I feel like I need another camera to see this part. Hey, babe.
White gloves.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool the way they have it cut out. You guys, I don't know how to do this so that you can see, but let's try it this way. Here it is. I'm gonna take you guys in close. Isn't that cool? I don't even, Mom, come in. What is this part?
Packed it? You want to look at the outside?
Oh wow, yeah. So this is the Mayhew
No, it's right
Safe Seal process from Mayhew Laboratories, the division of Mayhew Individual Cleaning, 7 Bradshaw Street in Greenville, South Carolina. Now, just for context, we are in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and she had this done in 1983. And it has never been touched to this day. So this is like the little cutout. There's like a little plastic liner.
That's what you're going to use. That was my hanky that Grandma gave me.
Oh, she said that is the hanky that her mother gave to her
That was in there.
that I'm going to be given on my wedding day. Something old. Aww.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
All right. My brother's on FaceTime, of course, as usual. So, oh wow, this is so well done. This is in an individual package. And so in order to get to
It's my first time seeing it too.
this particular section, Mom, we have to actually cut this.
Oh, you don't want to know what that is?
What?
That is, I think that's my money bag that I carried around my wrist, with my envelopes in, my gloves, and the hanky that I use.
Oh, that's so cool. I didn't know you had to carry a money bag. Or is that just something you wanted to do? Is that a
some
normal?
people
So you have to carry the Benjamins.
Yeah, it's all about the moolah. So there's layers of tissue paper between each item.
Of course, everything is mine.
Mom, I need scissors. This is completely sealed. Wow. This probably costs a fortune to have packaged this way.
Wow.
There's tissue paper between each layer. So cool, guys.
It's like
Feel
opening
that?
up a Christmas present.
Yeah. Oh,
Now
what
the
is,
paper
is this for the
yeah.
bustle, I guess?
Yeah.
That's for your bustle. Yeah. So it does smell now. The paper, you smell the whatever.
Paper smell.
Yeah, the paper smells different.
So they turned it inside.
Definitely different. But the veil smelled still just like you. Probably because it's just not as much fabric to hold in that sense. First of all, look at how long this is, you guys. Can you see? Her train was very, very long.
It's inside out. I think they turned it.
No, it's not inside out. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm laughing at how narrow you were, because I can already see that this is like half of the size I am now.
I waited a long time to share this with you, actually.
Wow. Wow.
This is the back of it.
Oh my gosh. Mom, pick up the camera and show it. Isn't that crazy? Wow.
It's flowing.
This is so pretty. I love it. You might have to just pick up a clip it. Yeah. piece of pearl or lace missing. No color discoloration or anything.
I know.
I definitely can't fit this.
And then it had all of the buttons down the back.
A lot of detail.
So pretty. Bo, get off!
Look at it.
He's like, what? I want to see what everybody else is seeing. I gotta see it up close.
Right.
Wow.
So let
didn't know
me
it was those.
show you guys the front.
Oh wow.
They don't make them like they used to.
Right.
Unless you got the moolah.
Mm-hmm.
The papers. No,
The paper stinks. Yeah, but
Oh yeah.
the preservation paper.
Mama look exactly as you remember it.
Yeah.
This is the front of the dress, you guys. And she had long sleeves.
Yeah, it was my dress. I was worried because I thought, I don't even know if that's my dress in there or not. And I had them to cut the neckline out. It was higher, and I had them to.
Oh, really? Make it, sweetheart? Of course you did. My mom needed custom everything. Just as she still does to this day.
Mom, you said it was custom made.
Now you have to go try it on.
I can't fit in it. But okay.
You said don't hurt yourself.
For real, Tyler. No. I'm still like looking at all the details. So pretty. So, what do you think of your dress?
Of my dress?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's
Is it this cool?
it's what I remember.
It's pretty as you remember.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it
It's
is.
so very pretty.
Details are so intricate.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Bring it here.
that's nice. Ooh. That's pretty.
It is.
Yeah, you got a perfect little bun for it.
Yep. So cute.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Mhm.
She's even got little pearls on it. Oh, did you do the thing, the blusher? Is there a blusher on it?
It's just a little shirt on like that.
This is how it kind of looks close up.
Okay, I'm gonna go. And the bustling was just out ridiculous. I think I was in the bathroom for about who knows how long trying to get in that thing.
Oh, I
trying to
bet.
bustle it up. My girls didn't know. The people
How to
from the
do it.
bridal place wasn't there at the reception to do it. So the girls never learned how.
Oh yeah, you don't think about that.
Right, those are little details that they're gonna, I'll know,
Right.
but someone's gonna have to, because the people at the place will show you,
Right.
show me, but, at the day of the wedding.
Right. All right. I'll be back.
Drag it upstairs, let's drag it up. It's night clean.
See you there.
All right, here's the big reveal.
Here comes the bride, all dressed in white. I don't really know that song, but I can't fit it, but I got this far in. Yes, it's so pretty.
Look, it's all on the stairs still.
I know.
It was never clean.
Boom.
It's not clean, I don't care.
Bob got in
My
trouble.
friend just packed it away just to preserve the dress. They probably was supposed to clean it, but who
They
knows?
probably did clean it.
They could have, I don't know.
It looks clean.
Not. That's just
The sleeves are supposed to be like that. All right. Mom, this is a day we have talked about for a long time. Pulling out your wedding dress
Exactly.
and getting a chance to see what it looks like and try it on. They did a really good job of preserving it, so I feel like I got to see it in its best possible condition,
Exactly.
which was awesome. What are you thinking right now?
I'm thinking of your wedding day, what your
Yeah.
day is going to be like, and just wanting you to enjoy the whole process, and you'll look back on it and do an unveiling for your daughter or son or daughter-in-law or somebody one day, and
Yeah.
you'll have your moment.
Mhm.
So, but I don't know. I've been waiting to do this for you.
Yeah.
Look, I was hoping that one day, my dream was when I got this dress, is that, oh, I'm gonna have a little girl one day and she'll wear my wedding dress and her daughter will wear it and we'll pass it down, but
Right.
that is definitely not possible.
Well, for me, it was never possible because I'm built wider than you are. But for my daughter one day, maybe. I think that would be really cool if my little girl happens to be on the extra petite side. She can wear
Well,
it.
she can play house in it.
No, we're not
She
playing
can
house
play
in
dress.
this.
She can play dress up.
No, but I think it is. I think if I had to say a dress that was worthy to be preserved and potentially, worn by and passed down, it would be this dress. Like the details on this dress, the intricacies, the customizations that you did. I mean, it's just beautiful. It is the type of dress that you picture
Like an
when you
heirloom.
say it's an heirloom. Exactly,
Yeah.
a family heirloom.
If
So
we have twins, they're gonna have to fight over it.
I know. I hope we have twin girls, and then they'll have to just take turns.
Oh yeah.
Can't get married on the same day. Who's gonna go first?
But that was a dream 30-something years ago. Now things have changed so much, and I really believe in people having their own and picking things that fit their personality, their lifestyle, and their likes. And you have to do that. I mean, I did
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
so and that's what makes it so special and so unique. But it's good to be able to pass it down for you to look at and enjoy.
Right.
So,
But I mean, like I said though, I had always thought about wearing it for sure. I knew that this moment would come where we got to unbox it and I would get to try it on, and it was so beautiful in the pictures. I knew I was gonna love it when we unboxed it, and I'm kind of sad that I can't fit it, but I mean, I'm not gonna beat myself up or anything because it's truly not.
no.
Even if I lost the weight, I'm worried that I'm like not built in the same way as this
Nope.
dress.
You got your own build, honey.
Yeah, I do. I do, and that's okay. But it's so pretty. I want to wear it.
I had so much fun picking your dress out. That's what brought this back this morning when I woke up. I thought, you know what? Wait a minute. I got my wedding dress I'm supposed to be
Yeah.
letting her see, and this is the moment. So this was that's what I've
Mhm.
been waiting for. I had so much fun.
I know. Me too. I'm sad more people couldn't be there to witness it, but I had the most important lady with me.
The COVID thing has changed a lot of stuff, but we're working through it.
Yeah, definitely.
We're working through it. So.
But yesterday was awesome. Today was awesome. Thanksgiving was awesome. You did a great job, Mama.
Okay. Now let me go because I don't like doing this.
All right. Thanks, Mom.
Oh, Lord.
Well, guys, I guess I'm wrapping up the video on my own. She's gonna go off and cry off camera, no doubt. But I just wanted to say, oh, see, now you're gonna make me cry. Oh.
You don't have to stand there by yourself.
I found my Prince Charming.
Because I'll be there.
And I get to have a special moment now because you proposed.
Nah. Yep,
Oh
you
my
did right though.
goodness. I didn't expect to cry.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the ring boy. No, he's not.
You're gonna be the ring bearer, Bo. Oh. He gotcha. All right.
Got her going.
You got me going.
Girl got you going.
He did.
Aw.
Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up. These are just special days, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish. We're gonna hit the road and head back to Indianapolis, but it's been an awesome weekend. Bye guys.